If you're watching these, chances are your baby's almost here and your bag is half packed. You've got baby outfits, a phone charger, maybe a robe, and a dozen open tabs on your browser titled What to Pack for the Hospital. But here's the truth. Most of those lists are either overkill or missing what actually matters, especially when it comes to you and your recovery. So today, I'm giving you a nurse's checklist. This isn't about matching pajamas. I mean, it could be. It's about comfort, safety, and supporting the real healing your body will be doing in the first 48 hours after birth. Let's start with what most moms don't realize. The hospital already provides a lot. Diapers, wipes, swaddles, peri-pads, formula if you must, and even a little baby shirt and hat. You don't have to stress about packing for the baby. But no one really teaches you how to pack for you, and that's the piece I want to help you get right. Okay, even though the hospital gives you mesh underwear and large maternity pads, they don't always stay in place, especially if you're curvy, moving around a lot, or had a C-section. I recommend packing your own high-waisted adult diapers or postpartum underwear. They offer more support, catch leaks better, and make you feel secure when you're up and walking. Many moms feel awkward about these, but honestly, adult diapers give you one less thing to worry about when everything feels tender and unpredictable. One less leak, one less mess, and one more moment where you feel slightly more in control. Okay, let's clear something up. There's a lot of buzz online about buying fancy upside-down peri bottles. And sure, they can be convenient. But the standard hospital peri bottle works just fine. In fact, it's one of the most functional, durable tools you'll get. And it's free. Keep it, use it, refill it as many times as you want. After a vaginal birth, you'll use that bottle every time you go to the bathroom. It helps prevent stinging and keeps everything clean while your tissue is healing. If you had stitches, it's especially helpful for comfort and hygiene, and way better than toilet paper. I've seen a lot of moms feel like they need to upgrade to something better, but really, honestly, unless you just prefer a certain style, the hospital version is more than enough. Save you money, right? Okay, moving on. Hospital floors are cold, and let's be honest, not exactly spotless. Bring a pair of rubber slippers you can wear in the shower. Trust me, being barefoot in a hospital shower is not the vibe. As for socks, the hospital usually provides non-slip ones, so skip packing your own. If they get wet or dirty, just ask for a fresh pair. Save you money and suitcase space for things you'll actually need more of, like snacks or nursing bras. Hospital gowns are functional, but they're not always comfortable, and definitely not private. Having your own robe or a loose gown that opens in the front can help you feel more like yourself. Look for something that gives you easy access for feeding or skin to skin, that's soft on your healing body and dark enough to hide stains from lochia or leaking milk. The goal isn't to look put together. It's to have something that lets you rest, feed, and recover without struggling with buttons, tight waistbands, or sleeves that gets in the way. Your milk may still come in, even if you don't plan to breastfeed. That means you might feel engorged, sensitive, or sore around day 2 or 3. And if you are breastfeeding or pumping, your nipples may be raw, dry, or cracked as you and the baby figure things out. Pack some nipple cream, lanolin or plant-based, whatever you like, and nursing pads to keep your bra and shirts from getting sticky or soaked. Some hospitals provide these, but not sure if all. Hydrogel pads are another great option for soothing soreness. Even if you don't need these right away, it's better to have them in your bag than to send your partner out searching later. saves time. Now, let's zoom out for a second. You're packing things to make your recovery more comfortable. But what about a plan for your recovery? If you're wondering, what do I actually do after I get home? That's the part most checklists skip. That is exactly why I created my free masterclass, 3 steps to actually enjoy postpartum without running on coffee and tears. Inside, I'll walk you through how to build a structured, supportive recovery plan, not just a hospital bag. The link to register is below, and if you're the kind of mom who like to feel prepared before things get chaotic, I really encourage you to register and join me and the other moms who wants a confident recovery. All right, you don't need a full vanity kit, but you'll want the basics. Lotion, deodorant, body wash, face wipes, hair ties, lip balm, maybe a dry shampoo. Bring whatever makes you feel clean and human. If you love makeup, great, bring it. But don't feel pressure to bring some unless you cannot live without it. This time is about healing, not performing. Between labor, birth, and recovery, your body will burn a ton of calories, and hospital food doesn't always come when you need it. Pack protein bars, nuts, fruit snacks, or nut butter packets. Anything easy to open and eat one-handed. A water bottle with a straw is essential. Hydration is critical, especially if you're nursing. And you'll want something you can sip from without having to sit up all the way or hold with both hands. A water bottle that stays cold longer is ideal for those breastfeeding marathon moments. If having a familiar pillow helps you sleep or relax, bring it. But use a brightly colored pillowcase so it doesn't get mixed up with the hospital linens. Hospitals are unfamiliar and overstimulating. One thing from home, whether it's your pillow or a favorite blanket, can make the space feel a little more yours. Okay, here's the big takeaway. This bag isn't about packing perfectly. It's about protecting your recovery. The bleeding, the leaking, the resting, then feeding in a way that helps you feel more at ease, not less. And while the hospital will provide the basics, what you pack can shape your whole experience. Not because of the stuff, but because of how it makes you feel. Ready, cared for, and considered. If you're ready to take that same kind of care into your actual postpartum recovery, the days and weeks that come after this, my free masterclass is the best next step. I made it for moms like you, and you'll find the link to register below. If you want to learn how to build your postpartum team before the baby arrives so your recovery is supported, not scrambled, watch this video next. It will help you prepare for your recovery beyond the hospital bag. Thank you for spending this time with me. Your postpartum season is valid. Your recovery deserves care, and your efforts, even the quiet ones, are enough. If this video helped make any part of your experience feel clearer or less overwhelming, I'd love for you to subscribe and stay connected. And if you're ready for more support with a plan that actually fits your real life, you'll find everything you need in the links below. I am Cherry, and I will see you in the next one.